In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the image zoom settings in Shopify for the year 2025. Now, before we dive into the steps, let me provide a brief explanation of why you might want to make this adjustment. Customizing the image zoom on your Shopify store can significantly enhance the visual experience for your customers, especially in product pages where the clarity and details of your products play a crucial role in purchase decisions. So if you're ready, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to your Shopify admin page. Once you're on the home page of your Shopify store, you'll find the navigation menu on the left side. This menu is your control center, giving you access to all the areas you need for managing your store. Next, you'll want to click on the section labeled Online Store. This will bring you into the heart of your store's customization options. It's the hub where you can modify the look and feel of your website to align with your brand's identity. After that, look for the button labeled Customize. Clicking here is like opening the door to your design studio. It's where you can adjust your themes, layouts, and specific element settings. Navigate to the home page of your store by clicking on Home Page. This action primes the field and ensures that the upcoming changes will apply to your home page first. Now you should see a Products section under your customization settings. Click on it, as this is where the specific settings for product displays, including images, are located. As you navigate deeper, click on Default Product. This ensures that the settings you're about to change will apply across all product pages under this category unless otherwise specified. With that done, you should now see your product image in view. Click directly on the image. This action will typically display additional settings related to how the images on your product pages should behave or appear. From here, look for an option that says Open Lightbox. Clicking this essentially allows you to access more detailed settings concerning how images are displayed when a customer clicks on them. In these settings, you'll find the option to select No Zoom. Choosing this will disable any automatic zoom functions for images on your store, allowing your customers to view images at a fixed resolution instead. This can be particularly useful if your images are already highly detailed, or if you find that the auto zoom detracts from the overall aesthetics of your site. Finally, once you've made this change, don't forget to click on Save. By saving your changes, you ensure that these settings are applied and visible to customers browsing your store. Remember, any changes you make should be checked on the live site to confirm they look good and function correctly. And there you have it. Changing the image zoom settings in your Shopify store is a straightforward process that can make a big difference in your customers' shopping experience. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your online store.